Okay, get ready to be blown away by this beautiful 4-bedroom, 3-bath home built by Tapia Construction in Southeast Lakeland. This has got a great layout, wonderful neighborhood. Let's take a look. Good afternoon, it's Brian Stevens with eXp Realty. I am very excited to show you this beautiful home, 5007 Truman. This is located in Southeast Lakeland. Beautiful gated community. This is built by Tapia Homes. It is home to a wonderful family, and you're gonna really enjoy how well built this home is and all that it has to offer. 4-bedroom, 3-bath. And just take a look at the elevation with all the different brick pavers. They've got everything landscaped very nicely. It's on a corner lot. As you can tell, let me just show you this before I get too far along. This is what you have. You have a side garage with the driveway here. It's all brick pavers, but there's no neighbors right here, so it's nice and quiet. It's a really nice, quiet neighborhood. You're probably 2 minutes to Publix, close to schools. Let's go take a look at the house. Very well designed home. Over 2,600 square feet of living area. So you can see when you first walk in, it's got a nice open feel. Now this is currently being used as an office. Plenty of space. You could use it as a living room, sitting area. Nice sized window there with plenty of natural light coming in. See the openness of the kitchen. And so if you look at the tray ceilings, it's got crown molding there. So it's a triple split bedroom plan, meaning your master bedroom is here. You have what I call the teenage suite, mother-in-law suite, what have you, in the back. It also has a full bath back there, so it's really very pool ready. And then the other 2-bedroom, 1-bath are located right here outside the kitchen. So it's a very well laid out 2,600 square foot and some change floor plan. So let's do this first. Let's take a look at the main area. You can see this is the ceramic tile. The wood look is all in the main areas, which is great for traffic. Lots of kids, pets, good for allergies, that sort of thing. It's got granite countertops and places you can pull up some bar stools for additional seating. Stainless steel appliances. Great coffee bar. Makes me want a coffee. Look at this. I mean, they've got the whole setup here. They got the honey, the tea, the Keurig, the pods ready to go. And it's got 2 pantries. It's got a closet pantry here. I'm not gonna open it, but there's another one there. They're in really great condition too. But the drawers are nice and deep. They're soft close. And then there's a nice sized dining area here with double windows. So again, plenty of natural light. Let's take a look back this way. So let's head over to the master bedroom side and show you that first. It's got a little entranceway, so nice and private. As you can see, it's just very well decorated, and home is like new. It's in great condition. Walk-in shower, check out that flooring. And then Tapia does a nice job with all the finishings. It has double sink, wood cabinets, granite tops. There's a toilet room here, and then there's an additional closet area this way. Now it does have the separate tub area, and of course the walk-in shower. And then it has a huge walk-in closet. Again, they've got everything really put together, super nice. Even got a dresser in here, plenty of room for your knickknacks, your clothes, your shoes, and then there's a window for natural light, so you don't even have to turn on the light when you go in your closet. So let's head over to the other side of the home. So let's go to the middle. So 2 bedrooms and 1 bath this side, and they're really nice sized bedrooms. And there's a walk-in closet straight ahead. I think I turned this light off. And so this is, got granite countertops, and then they're carrying the flooring all the way in here. Nice beveled edge on the mirror. And then the tile all goes all the way up to the ceiling. This is a tub shower combination. Linen closet. And then going into this bedroom, again, nice sized bedroom. Even got 2 beds in here, some storage. This is overlooking to the side. And then another walk-in closet. So plenty of closet space, which you don't see on newer homes that often. So heading to the back. Nice little privacy suite back here. Okay, closet to the right. And even notice different things like on some of the upper end builders, you're gonna see the wood sills. So this is really nice, and it's even handcrafted. You can tell the quality is really nice. The baseboards the same way. And then some of the finishings even on the doors. You don't get multi-panel doors from a lot of builders. And this has got, it's got a beautiful, the way it's tastefully, I like all the colors, and then the walk-in shower, or shower door I should say, but you can see, again, they've run the subway tile up high. And then this house has a great backyard. So first of all, let me show you this. It's got all pavers. It's an under truss lanai. Check out this backyard. All PVC fencing. Getting a little bit of rain finally in Lakeland today. We needed it. Look, it goes all, and it even goes all the way around there. You got the gate. So this home really lays out very nicely. Fantastic location, great neighborhood. Let's finish off with the laundry area here. Let me give you a flyby look at this farm sink. Now that right there will wash your pots and pans. That is really nice. So let's hit this way. Again, that's to your garage, but the laundry room is really nice size. Has a sink and then some additional cabinetry up this way. So this home is hitting the market within 24 hours. So whenever you're watching this video, it's gonna be in June, mid-June. That's all I can tell you. So would love to show you this home, tell you more about it, give you some more additional information on the upgrades, situation on it, and any other details I can answer. My name is Brian Stevens, eXp Realty. Just remember this, whether selling or buying,